Hey guys, OKC Cake Lady here. I am back with another video showing some behind the scenes of one of my crazy cakes. Now on this one, it is going to look like a sketch drawing pie. Okay, so a sketch drawing is a drawing that has a lot of sketch marks on it, which you're going to see. So just keep watching, okay? This is my Chef Master marker that I'm using. It is an edible marker, okay? Because it's an edible marker, I can write on the cakes pretty much like a normal marker. It's pretty neat. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to start sketching on this cake. Now, it looks a little strange in the beginning, but just keep watching. It's all going to come together in the end, and it is so neat. Whenever I do this, I really have to look at certain angles to make sure that everywhere I put lines, it matches up to what I'm trying to make in the end. This is another edible marker that I have, and this one is a little bit darker, so I started using this one because I needed the marks on the cake that I'm making to be pitch black, basically. So I'm going around all the perimeter of the cake, and I'm adding black. As if you were coloring, this would be where you would color inside the lines, if that makes sense. If you enjoy this video, I do have more videos like this where I'm showing you kind of how I make these cakes. It really looks neat towards the end of the video when I get the angles to where it looks like a drawing. So right here, I'm really starting to sketch. This is what makes it a sketch drawing, or why they call it that, because you're just kind of putting little sketch marks all over your paper or your canvas. So as I do this, it's going to really start to come to life just a little bit more. And here in just a minute, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, which will reveal the true look of the sketch drawing pie that I'm trying to create. If you do enjoy this video, I would appreciate it if you guys would hit that share button for me. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following. I have a lot of crazy cakes that I post, and I want you guys to not miss any of them. This is the final look right here, guys, of the actual cake. And then I'm going to add some little marks onto the board just to give it a little bit more of a drawing effect. And it should look kind of flat to you. Once you see it flat, it's kind of hard to switch back to knowing that it's actually a cake. But I'm going to cut this cake for you guys here in just a minute. This is something I'm doing just to try to fool people a little bit and mess with your mind even more, because it seems like I'm scratching on a piece of paper, right? Well, no, you guys know it's cake. You just saw me make it, and I promise it is the exact one you just saw me make. Now, I do have this under a lot of light because I need it to look really crisp white. So you'll notice whenever I do go to cut the cake that my knife looks really light blue. And again, it's because it's a lot of light. It's the same cake, and clearly, well, as you see right now, because I'm cutting it, it is a cake, guys. And yes, you're going to see my blue icing on the inside, okay? Because I have to put that no matter what, right? You guys, make sure you share this video for me if you did enjoy it. I love you guys, and y'all have a great day.